Want to buy a newly launched token on Solana before everyone else? That is exactly what sniper bots try to do. And today we'll break down how Solana sniper bots work, why some traders use them, and why they're risky. Let's go. By the end of this video, you'll understand the tech behind the bots, the edge they try to capture, and the ethical and financial traps to avoid. A sniper bot is an automated trading program that watches the blockchain and executes buy or sell transactions in milliseconds when certain events happen. For example, when liquidity for a new token is added, or when a token is first listed on a DEX. On Solana, where transactions are extremely fast, these bots target moments of opportunity that humans can't react to in time. Typically, a sniper bot tries to buy at listing or when liquidity is added before price spikes, capture tiny arbitrage or price differences across pools, or backrun and front-run certain transactions for profit. In practice, many are used for rapid launch snipes on meme coins and low-cap tokens. First, the bot needs to detect the event, a new token mint, a liquidity add, or a swap instruction. On Solana, this often means passing confirmed transactions, subscribing to on-chain program events, or watching real-time data feeds. Next, the bot applies filters, token mint reputation, creator address whitelist or blacklist, pool size, expected slippage, compute budget, and other risk checks. Only tokens that pass those filters trigger a trade. Then the bot builds the transaction, swap instruction, slippage tolerance, and which DEX or route to use, such as Jupiter, Radium, or Orca, and signs it. Getting these parameters right is crucial for success. Speed comes from infrastructure. The fastest bots use ultra-low latency RPC providers, private mempool access, or bundling services for priority execution. Some even use MEV channels to get their transactions processed before others. After the trade executes, the bot may immediately sell for a quick flip or hold based on its profit targets. Some bots flip instantly, others follow take profit or stop loss rules. Typical components include a fast RPC or full node, WebSocket or indexer for real-time events, a DEX or swap client, secure wallet signing, and a decision engine. Advanced setups may connect directly to validator feeds to save a few milliseconds. Why do people use sniper bots? Because they're fast. They react in milliseconds faster than any human. Because they capture opportunities. They can grab newly listed tokens or small arbitrage gaps before the market adjusts. And because they're automated, they trade 24/7 without any manual input. But there are big risks. First, rug pulls and scam tokens. Many new tokens are malicious. Developers can drain liquidity right after launch, leaving the bot holding worthless tokens. Second, front-running and ethical or legal gray areas. Some strategies involve front-running other users, which is questionable at best. Third, competition and costs. Profit windows are tiny, and speed requires expensive infrastructure. Fast nodes, private access, and MEV services. Fourth, smart contract and counterparty risk. If a DEX or router has a bug or gets exploited, your funds are gone. And finally, operational complexity. Maintaining and debugging low-latency bots isn't easy. Mistakes can cause constant losses. To reduce risk, start small. Always test with very small amounts. Add safety filters. Check creator addresses. Ensure minimum liquidity. Block known scam patterns. Use MEV-resistant or trusted bundling options to avoid being sandwiched. Backtest or paper trade on testnets before using real money. And always monitor everything with proper logs and kill switches. Sniper bots are powerful tools for speed and automation, but they're a double-edged sword. They amplify both opportunities and risks, and they live in a gray zone ethically and legally. If you're curious, learn how they work, test safely, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Like if this video was useful, subscribe for more crypto tooling explainers, and drop a comment if you want a follow-up demo where we build a simple Solana sniping watcher for paper trading. Links and resources are in the description.